dropping off my whip right now to get tuned. And yeah, so this is gonna be an interesting video because not many scats are tuned, especially the way I'm gonna get my shit tuned. So we're just gonna have to like see what y'all think about this. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe, please, and thank you. Dropping my shit off at the tuner, and then tomorrow y'all gonna see what the fuck we got going on. Yeah.
So I got the camera now, and this is Sashi's. She wanted a vlog. Okay, let me get. What you gotta say to the camera?
So today we came to pick up Woody because he's gonna wrap his car.
No.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
No, he's not wrapping his car. He's tuning his car.
He's tuning his car, and I'm with his girlfriend, aka my sister. Okay, you get the.
Okay, she don't have nothing else to say. It was just a quick video. Bye.
So I'm gonna show y'all a little something. You feel me? Cause most of y'all don't know yet. That's a little sneak peek of what the fuck we got going on here, but we going to Mexico City, and I'm gonna show y'all a little something from the outside, the inside, a little bit of everything. Just let's get there in peace, and then we could cause havoc wherever the fuck we're going. Alright, so see y'all there. And y'all boys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. I seen y'all showing love. I fuck with it. So let's get to it. Alright, so we made it to our destination. I just want to give y'all a little demonstration of what the pops sound like. And I'm going to show you guys a little bit of features here and there. But let's get straight to it. So the pops and the flames come on at 3,000 RPM. So once I pass 3,000, you see that right there? Let me see. You see? Once I pass 3,000, it's gonna shoot a little flame. But you can make it louder. If you throw that bitch in a lower gear and it's at 4,000, 5,000 RPM, that shit's gonna sound crazy as fuck. So what we're gonna do right now is we're stopping at a red light, so we're kind of fucked. But what we are gonna do is, you see those people right there? We're about to scare the living shit out of those people. Watch this, watch this. Look at these people right here. Behind me is hot. Woo! You hear that? That's the sound of joy right there. down.
You need to clean these windshield wipers because these bitches dirty.
No smoke out here. Steady bending corners. Steady bending corners. Yes. Now I'm trying to find the nice little spot where my girl could record from the outside because, nah, hell no, I'm not about to leave you. I'm not about to leave you in the middle of the woods. Like, as y'all can see, it's the fucking middle of the woods over here, bro. Like, there's nothing. And if my girl gets kidnapped, then I'm gonna have to blow somebody's head off. And we don't even want to do all that right now, bro. Just want to chill.
All of you!
Daddy, chill.
What the hell is even that?
We gonna keep searching for a spot. While we keep searching for a spot, y'all stay patient. We gonna be back.
All these dragonflies.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
That one was nice as fuck. I know that shit was nice. I felt it.
Okay, we're out of here. We got her. Blue clip.
We out of here. Out of here. DK Ree, also known as Bari. My dog, I appreciate you. Tune is amazing. I can't complain. Shit does everything I needed to do, bro. And it's simple. Look, I just hit like 7 corners, bro. Not overheating, bro. If my Scat wasn't tuned, fucked up. It would be fucked up, nigga. On the side of the road with coolant leaking everywhere. Y'all boys get y'all shit tuned. Hit on my dog, Bari. I'ma link his shit in the description below. Y'all go fuck with it, man. Shit is crazy.
Police has nothing on us. We have not been outside to be searched for. The fuck?
Are you ready?
No, what y'all cops?
Oh shit.
He's talking about, you ready? Oh yeah, you ready to go to jail. The
Ready
fuck?
to go to jail? The fuck?
Talking about, you ready?
They got the road blocked off. We need to put our safety seatbelt on.
Ready to run from the cop. That's what you trying to take us.
See, I won't do a pop next.
Stop. Stop, because I'm going to fuck your ass up. Look, the cheeseman is for real. Why are they out here? I don't know. They got the ambulance.
Damn ambulance! Where the ambulance? Why the man body still right there?
Ain't supposed to be laying
Call the
there.
damn ambulance!
Oh,
Shit!
look at the chismoso.
Shit! That shit is fucked up. Whole front. Whole front is fucked up. Show them right quick when we turn around. Because we gotta pass by them again regardless. Show the people the car crash. Look at that shit.
Ooh,
Holy
that shit
fuck.
fucked.
Alright, so now I'm gonna show y'all boys the rev limiter and how it bounces off 6,000 RPM. So, if y'all could see, as soon as it hits 6,000 RPM, that shit just bounces right off the fucking line. And that's basically what the tune does. It just it limits your rev. So it will just keep going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth till you switch the gear and pop it up. But, so we got that done. We got the flame tune, which I'm gonna try to see if my girlfriend could get a video of that real quick. And that's about it, man.
Girlfriend now.
My wifey. Alright, y'all, that's the end of the video. Appreciate y'all for watching. If y'all made it this far, once again, like, comment, and subscribe. Really fuck with y'all. Unfortunately, I had lost some clips due to my stupid ass deleting everything I had on my SD card before everything finished rendering. So yeah, I'm missing a couple clips, but I promise y'all the next video is gonna be an absolute banger. Y'all just wait on it. I'm gonna get my mom and my dad to get the reaction and see how they feeling in the whip, and I'm also gonna get a whole bunch of more people. So y'all stay tuned for that, man. Appreciate y'all. Y'all have a wonderful day. Deuces.